In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip basic shapes in Canva. Flipping shapes is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in your designs. It helps you create balance, symmetry, and interesting layouts without having to redraw anything. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to flip any basic shape quickly and confidently. First, open Canva and head to the design where you want to work. This can be any type of project: a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or even a custom-sized canvas. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find all the basic shapes you can use, like squares, circles, triangles, lines, and arrows. Now, choose a shape you want to flip. Click once on the shape in the Elements panel, and it will appear on your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners, and you can change the color using the color options in the top toolbar. Take a second to position your shape roughly where you want it to end up in your design. It's easier to see the effect of the flip when the shape is already in place. Next, make sure your shape is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it with handles on the corners and sides. With the shape selected, look towards the top of the screen for the flip option. Depending on your screen size, it might be directly visible in the toolbar, or you may need to click on the three-dot More menu to find it. Once you click on Flip, you'll see two main options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal will mirror your shape from left to right, like flipping it along a vertical axis. Flip Vertical will mirror it from top to bottom, like flipping it along a horizontal axis. Choose the direction that fits your design. For example, if you're working with an arrow or a speech bubble, flipping horizontally can make it point or face the opposite way. If you're not sure which one you need, don't worry. You can click one option, see how it looks, and if it's not what you wanted, you can either undo it or try the other flip direction. Canva makes it easy to experiment until it feels right. After flipping, adjust the position of your shape so it lines up nicely with your other elements. You can nudge it using your arrow keys for more precise control. If you want to duplicate and flip multiple shapes to create a mirrored effect, copy the original, paste it, and then flip the copy. This is a great way to create symmetrical layouts, reflections, or balanced patterns. Finally, remember that these same flip tools work not just on basic shapes, but also on images, graphics, and even text boxes. Once you're comfortable with flipping shapes, you can start applying the exact same method to other elements in your designs. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to flip basic shapes in Canva, a small technique that can really polish your work and open up more creative possibilities.